Hey guys, welcome back. I will tie the ponytail on the back like this, leaving the few section of the hairs in the front. Tie it on the back. Make the plaits from the front to the back like this using the hairs. After that, we will follow the same step for the other side as well. Now fix them on the top and it's done. Next, we'll tie half of the hairs like this and then rotate it as shown in the video. Fix it like this. Now take few section of the hairs from the sides and fix them on the hairs above. Now pull out the hairs from the sides carefully like this from both the sides and your hairstyle is done. Next, we will tie a ponytail and then rotate the hairs like this. After that, we will fix the hairs. First, tie it from the end like this and fold it upward like this. Fix it and it's done. Next, we will tie the ponytail, rotate the hairs. Now take the leftover hairs and make the plaits out of it like this. Here we are making a different style of plaits, so watch the video very carefully. After we are done with the plaits, we will fix it upward by rolling it like this and it's done. Thanks for watching.